Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Most blatant red light runner I've seen in a while. A bit of a fumble, but it worked out. This driver is driving dangerously while recording with a handheld camera. Here's some nightmare fuel for you all night riders. This driver forgot what country he was in for a moment. Why is he not paying attention to the road? This driver parked in the middle of the street because they missed the light. This must have been painful to experience. Playing with your life is not a good thing, mate. She blocked the whole lane in order to cut the traffic. Dude in red car almost got himself T-boned.
A few moments later.
Don't drink and drive, please.
What if he crashes into someone at the door? That's really bad. Oh! Fuck's sake.
20 minutes later.
Imagine him coming towards you. I'll tell you. It's fucking dangerous, man.
2 hours later.
No lights on.
No?
He's already crashed into a...
His front lights are on, he ain't got his back ones on, has he?
I don't know.
This could be dangerous. Look.
Oh my god.
Truck driver thinks they own the road. Had to honk to prevent a head-on over a hill. Three idiots sitting in the middle of intersection.
Oh, look at him, he's choking a dick. She was like this.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's so funny.
This tow truck driver in Michigan was a bit selfish here. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.